Oh, Realme India and Europe, Mr. Madhav Sheth.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to have you with me here today. This is the first launch event of Realme in this new year. And I'm here today in 2021 to set a new benchmark for all smartphones in 20 to 30K price segment. Did I reveal the price segment? Many surprises today. Today we are launching two smartphones, the very best from Realme, the Realme X7 Pro 5G and one of the best designed 5G smartphone, the Realme X7 5G.
And now that you've seen the Realme X7 5G and the X7 Pro 5G, let me take you through the highlights one by one. Let's start with the design of X7 5G. Realme X7 5G uses the industry's best craftsmanship to bring you a phone that feels fun, fashionable, and light. Sounds perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle, doesn't it? Let's take a look at the two color options. We've got the dazzling Space Silver and the brilliant Nebula. Our designers sought inspiration in the mysteries of the outer space, capturing the scintillating colors of the universe and putting them into the phone's back shell. When you hold this phone in your hands, you will be entranced by the futurism of its appearance. As I mentioned earlier, Realme X7 does not just look good but also feels great in your hand. For this, we've used innovative structural stacking to optimize our device, as a result of which the Space Silver is only 8.1 thick and weighs as little as 176 grams. So that was an overview of the look and feel of the Realme X7 5G, which was the product of nearly 100 color trials and process validations, bringing you two gorgeous phones that look and feel incredible. To begin with, Realme X7 5G is equipped with the commendable MediaTek Dimensity 800U, becoming the first smartphone in India to have this powerful 5G processor. Next, let's talk about the speed of our 50-watt SuperDart charge. When using the 50-watt SuperDart charge, your phone's battery will go from 0 to 50% in just 18 minutes. Realme X7 5G is equipped with a large 4310 mAh battery. With that huge battery and the latest 7nm Dimensity 800U chipset, this phone can be used all day long. When it comes to battery life, data talks. Of course, the crude combo of high power and large battery is important, but without software optimization, the best specs can't bring you the best user experience, right? Realme SuperDart has always been known for speed and safety, with a powerful silent assist from all scenes battery optimization at the software level. We've prepared battery optimization responses for background task management, late night standby, and even low battery scenarios. As you can see, even when your battery level is at 5%, Realme X7 5G will remain on standby for 25 hours. You never know, it might just save your life one day. First, let's look at the charging speed of Realme X7 5G when compared with similar products. It takes only 47 minutes to fully charge the Realme X7 5G, much lesser than others in the segment. We are not excluding the charger when you buy a Realme X7 5G, but giving you a more powerful one instead. Realme X7 5G is equipped with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a punch-hole camera. What is the biggest advantage of an OLED screen? The entire phone can be thinner. Well, now you know the trick behind the 8.1 thickness. AMOLED screens feature a special material that enables brighter displays. Since each pixel on the screen can be adjusted, power efficiency too is enhanced. Compared with LCD screens, you get better color reproduction, higher contrast, and a more realistic display. Another small detail that might be overlooked is how the holes and edges on the screen look. In comparison with LCD screens, OLED screens give you an amazing visual experience. Compared with an external sensor, not only does the in-display placement feel more natural, but also enables you to unlock your phone with damp fingers. In terms of basic parameters, the 6.4-inch Samsung Super AMOLED screen achieves full HD resolution and a touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz, improving responsiveness while gaming. The display features a peak brightness of 600 nits, enabling users to see the screen clearly even in bright sunlight. It also supports DC light dimming function, anti-flicker in low brightness option, and anti-fatigue eye protection. As they say, an outstanding screen not only improves display effect, it also elevates the overall user experience. Now, let's talk about camera upgrades. With Realme X7 5G, its main camera features a solid hardware with a 64 megapixel ultra clear sensor, an f1.8 large aperture lens combined with Pixel 4-in-1 technology means that a single pixel can reach 1.4 micron. This provides excellent image quality for night shots and gives you ultra clear and rich details in every picture. We also have something for those who enjoy the post-editing process. In the 64 megapixel mode, you will have the freedom to compose and crop as much as you like without losing pixels and jeopardizing the image quality, just like a small telephoto lens. In addition to image quality, the camera also features rich imaging functions, whether it's the upgraded nightscape, chroma boost, or the selfie camera. Let's take a look at these pictures. Whether you're shooting scenery or portraits, it's a piece of cake for Realme X7 5G. Here, I'd like to highlight our Portrait Super Nightscape mode. This mode preserves sharpness while reducing noise. The image is beautified while retaining facial details. We are also bringing the three filters, Cyberpunk, Flamingo, and Modern Gold, to give you more options for photography. In terms of photo effects, there's really very little difference between the flagships that are on the market. We all know that when it comes to video, it's all about actual performance. Realme X7 5G supports up to 4K video at 30 FPS. As for slow motion videos, the device supports 1080p HD recording at up to 120 FPS. The camera also supports a cinema mode that features an ultra-wide 21:9 ratio. Users can manually adjust exposure, white balance, and other shooting parameters and directly edit the video on Realme Soloop app. With Realme X7 5G, it is easier than ever to shoot a blockbuster from your phone. This is one such video. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Our URS video stabilization has always been one of our key video technologies, and here it's seen on both the front and the rear cameras. Realme X7 5G features the upgraded UIS Max video stabilization, providing users with a larger viewing range and improved stabilization. That's what the camera on Realme X7 5G is capable of. A 64 megapixel ultra high definition main camera with cinema mode and a slew of other incredible features that you can play around with to shoot amazing photos and videos. Let's sum up the Realme X7 5G, shall we? A chic, lightweight device that boasts an excellent camera, delivers outstanding performance, and features a large capacity flash charging battery. India's first smartphone to feature the 7nm Dimensity 800U processor that provides a guaranteed smooth performance. Combined with a 64 megapixel Ultra HD main camera and Super AMOLED screen, this device is a feast for the senses. With the 50-watt supercharged charger and a large 4310 mAh battery that perfectly fits into the sleek 8.1 mm thick 176-gram body, this phone is fun to play with and feels just right in your hand. Also, we unveiled one surprise earlier, but we have an even bigger one to show you. In addition, the Realme X7 Pro 5G also has 4K 60 FPS video support, cinema mode, and the provision to shoot ultra shake-proof videos. Let me conclude. High-resolution photos and powerful video shooting is what Realme X7 Pro 5G is capable of. Let's talk about the performance. The performance experience of a smartphone cannot be guaranteed without the co-processor. The Realme X7 Pro 5G is equipped with the latest Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. Performance is one of the key parameters that can be best explained by actual data. Let's go straight to the Realme X7 Pro 5G benchmark score. The score under the normal temperature reaches 540K plus on Antutu, which is the highest scoring integrated 5G platform up to date. I'm pretty sure X7 Pro is the best performing smartphone in its price segment. Not only the benchmark scores, the network performance is also at a flagship level. With 360-degree surrounding antenna, supporting 5G plus 5G dual SIM and dual standby, the 5G plus Wi-Fi multiple network acceleration, we are determined to be the fastest smartphone. After talking about the processor, we have to mention the cooling system. The Realme X7 Pro 5G is equipped with an e-sport grade VC liquid cooling system, 5-level ice-cold heat dissipation system, 100% full coverage of the core heat source, significantly reducing the temperature even when the phone is in high performance state. The X7 Pro 5G also features a tactile engine linear motor, providing a brilliant experience to all users. As you all know, Realme works closely with Dolby, and we are also the leading brand that democratized the Dolby audio experience in the smartphone industry. The Realme X7 Pro 5G features dual stereo speakers by Dolby Atmos. Let's now experience the future with the Realme X7 Pro 5G, which features a super thin and lightweight body along with a premium and outstanding design. The rich and immersive flagship Super AMOLED display, along with the COP packaging technique, complements the device and accounts for a seamless experience. The smartphone also boasts of improved picture quality brought by the new Sony 64 megapixel quad camera, and also features a 65-watt super charge technology that energizes the device in lightning fast speed. Other power pack features like VC liquid cooling, dual stereo speakers, and NFC take the performance of the device to newer heights. This is the super slim and light flash charging 5G flagship smartphone, the Realme X7 Pro. Not only does it have an all-new stylish logo color design, but also the flagship performance to make it a true flagship. From display to processor and camera to the battery and charging, it is an all-round comprehensive flagship configuration that makes it the best 5G choice for everyone.
Lovely and beautiful products. Now it's finally time for what you all have been waiting for, the price announcements. So how do you like the products today? The new Realme X7 5G with its new 7nm powerful MediaTek Dimensity 800U 5G processor combined with a 64 megapixel Ultra HD main camera, Super AMOLED screen, 50-watt super dart charger, and a large 4130 milliamp hour battery that perfectly fits into the sleek 8.1 mm thick 176 gram body and beautiful new finishes. It's available in two beautiful colors, Nebula and Space Silver, with two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. How should we price it at? Realme X7 5G 6GB 128GB is priced at Rs 19,999, and the Realme X7 5G 8GB 128GB is priced at Rs 21,999. First sale starts at 12 noon on 12th of February on Flipkart, Realme.com and the stores nearby.